Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to be a Canva affiliate. So let's get started by making sure that you have your Canva account and you have a Canva Pro account. You can go to canva.com/affiliate/ and if you're ready, tap join now. So in here, you'll be in this page wherein you have to check your site connection for the app.impact.com. This is a third party app, which is you can get your commissions here. All right, so now you have this welcoming page for you to complete your sign up process. And before you do that, you can now review first the contract terms, wherein you can see here the conditions, the scheduling, also the payout details, the charges on your account, and also what are the conditions during the payouts, and also the bank that is required. So you can read this before signing. You can read all of the things here in the Canva contract terms. So once we're done reading all of it, you'll also have this payout restriction conditions over here and a lot of information that is very important. And then you can also see here the schedule and more details, and then at the end of it, it's very important for you to read the general terms. And once you're done, just accept and complete your sign up and starting earning. You can sign up with your email, your Apple ID, Facebook, Google, but let's go with our email. Just complete your details. Make sure that you will input your mobile number. Tick the boxes here if you wish to if you have read and accept the agreement, and you can take the box if you wish to receive the latest partnership with them. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.